Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fetch RMS owner details in bulk using a simple PowerShell script. This is especially useful when your tenant has thousands of RMS files and you need to identify the owners quickly. So suppose in your tenant there are 2000 plus RMS protected files and these files are protected by many different users. We don't know the actual protector or the actual RMS owner of those files. So for global IT admins, finding the RMS owner details for each file manually is a very hectic task. What we need is a way to fetch all RMS owner details in bulk and export them into a separate Excel or CSV file. To solve this, I have created a short PowerShell script. This script will give you the file name and the RMS owner details of that file. Once you have this information, IT admins can decide whether to remove the RMS protection by assigning super user permission in their tenant. So let's get started. And also, I would like to inform you that this method is extremely useful for compliance, audit, data governance, deciding when to assign super user permission, bulk RMS owner analysis. Instead of checking each file individually, you know how a single automated report will be generated. So let's begin with the practical of this one. So firstly, I will show you how the RMS protection has been enabled on the files. I have created two files. These are my test file on which I have created two sensitivity labels and I have encrypted those labels and I have inserted those labels onto these files. This is the first file and I will show you another file, and this is the second file. If you can see, I have inserted a label on this, applied a label on this as well. That means this both files are now RMS protected. Once we apply an encryption label to any of this file, that means that these files are now RMS protected. Alright. So what I have done is, firstly I have created one folder with name, protected documents, and I have inserted this both file into this document. If you can see, as this one. Now I will walk you through the PowerShell scripting and the commands we will use to achieve this request. So firstly, you will need to open your PowerShell with the administrator rights. As I have already opened my PowerShell over here, if you can see, I have opened it as an admin. Now the very first step is we need to connect with the AIP service. Once we connected with the AIP service, then you can simply use the get file status command, hit enter. It will ask you a path. So once you need to enter the path of the document. So I have already copied the path over here. I will paste the path over here, hit enter, and again one more time you need to hit enter over here. So now if you can see, we have got the results, we have got the output for both of these files, which includes all the details for this file. If you can see, the file is labeled, it's showing as true, main label ID is there, then is RMS protected is true, RMS template ID is there. Then the main thing which we are looking over here is the RMS owner, which is my admin account. Similarly, we are getting this detail for the second file as well. Okay. So now our concern is, by running just simply this command, if we are getting all those details of this file, including the RMS owner. So now Our main concern is that we will get this output in this format. But if we want to fetch the RMS owner details only and the file name in a single CSV file, for that I have created one simple script which will give those results, means the RMS owner details and the file name under one CSV file. For that, we will just go with this simple script. We need to give the document, we need to give the path of the protected documents folder over here. We have copied this file and we'll need to, if you can see, write the host done, file saved to. Where should the file get saved? You need to provide the path over here. So I will keep it as it is and I will just give as, I will keep it as just new and I will write my name, new there. Alright. So now simply we'll run this command. Hit enter. Alright. And done. Now we'll check the path if this has been successfully provided the output results of that. So my path is C drive. I will come to my C drive directly. And if you can see, I have got the results. I'll double click on this. Alright. And now if you can see the file name and only the RMS owner of this file. Alright, so this was a simple video which we have created to fetch the RMS owner details of these files. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more M365 compliance and security videos. And stay tuned for upcoming tutorials where I will be sharing more PowerShell script to simplify your admin task. Thank you for watching again.